This is the syntax of while loop. This was our last example. Initialization, condition and increment are must for a loop. Hello everyone, welcome to the Python session. In this session, we will explore few more examples of while loop. So, let's write a program to print the multiplication table of any number. First, accept the number in variable num using an input function and convert it into int using type converter. Declare a variable I and initialize it with value 1. Then write the while loop with the condition I less than equal to 10 followed by a colon. Inside while loop indent, this will be our formula, value equal to num multiplied by I. Then print the value like this, formatted output to display the result nicely. Then we will give the increment I equal to I plus 1. So now we will run the code. Enter the input as 5. See, we got the multiplication table of 5. In this program, you can also write the else and print a message like this. Again, else is optional in while loop. Rerun the code and enter the input as 9. We got the correct output with the message in the else part. Remember, else section is executed after the completion of while loop. Now, we will execute one more example with input function inside the while loop. We will write a program to calculate the cube of 5 different numbers. So, declare a variable count with initial value as 1. Then write while loop with the condition count less than equal to 5. Inside the while indent, accept the input in the variable num and then convert that into int. In the next line, write the formula to calculate the cube using the exponential operator like this. Print the result using the print statement. Finally, give the increment to the count variable. After the while loop, we will display the message that process is completed. Again, I want to tell you that we are not using else statement because it's optional. Run the code. It's asking for a number. Please enter the number. Well, we got the output. It's again asking for the number because the loop will run for 5 times. Again enter the number. Again we got the output. Enter the third number. Then fourth. Finally the fifth number. After displaying the cube of fifth number, the system will display the message and the program will terminate. To effectively use the loop, you need to practice hard. All the examples are available in this URL. Please practice well. See you in the next session. Thanks for watching.